Hello, everyone. Welcome to our last week of school. I just want to start off by letting you guys know that I'm so sorry we had to end school this way, and hopefully, we will get to go to school in the fall as normal as possible and get to do some fun hands on activities. One thing I did do is I did put a little video together for you guys, like a little sixth grade video yearbook of our time in science. You're welcome to watch it, it is optional. We have an outline for the week of June 1st through 3rd. So if you click on that, Jonathan's going to open. This week, the assignments are optional. They are not for a grade. They're for enrichment purposes. You can turn in any missing work until June 2nd. After June 2nd, it will no longer be graded and go into the grade book. If you're missing 30-point Chapter 5 test or you're missing your 30-point Latin and Greek root test, it's really important you go back and take those, because if you don't, that's going to really hurt your grade. You can take them several times or open book. All I ask is you log on and give them a shot. Okay, so first thing, not optional, complete any missing work by Tuesday. Third, you can watch the video yearbook. It is optional. And fourth, there is a STEM challenge competition where you use household or recycled materials to create a model and include a few sentences explaining your instrument and how it can be used to help the world. There are some really cool prizes available. If you guys go to the link, it's sponsored by a company, and you can go on, make it, post it, you may win. They extended it. It was due May 31st, which the flyer still says. But since they extended it, I wonder if they don't have very many submissions. So it might be easy to go on and make something and win a really cool prize. I think one of them was an iPad. So if you're looking for something to do, it looks like they're taking submissions until June 14th now. So it could be a good opportunity, especially if you like science or like being techie, to go on and give that a try. I want to tell you guys, I hope you guys have a great year. And enjoy your summer. It was a nice year. I'm sorry it ended so quickly and that we didn't get back in to see you guys before school ended. I hope you all take care and have a nice summer. If you guys need anything, feel free to email me anytime. I look forward to hearing from you guys. I had a great year with you guys, and I'm going to miss you, and I look forward to seeing you in the fall as 7th graders. You guys take care.